We have number of applications under Bernoulli's principle. Based on the Bernoulli's principle, we are studied about Venturi meter. That Venturi meter construction is taken in the carburetor of an automobiles. Carburetor. This carburetor is the heart of the any automobile. From this only the petrol or diesel, we can say fuels, are enter into the combustion chamber mixed with air and burns. Then after the vehicle is moves. Okay. Now how the carburetor is works in automobile? Based on this principle, number of instruments or works that we will discuss at the end. The carburetor of an automobile has a Venturi channel, means small hole, we can say nozzle. When the small hole is there, that is called Venturi channel or nozzle, through which air flows with a large speed. We know that one. The hole is very small, the wind or air flows with large speed, just like what happened? The nozzle is less. When the nozzle is less, the air flows with a large speed. Okay, that is the Venturi channel, in science it is called. The pressure is then lowered at the narrow neck. As per the Bernoulli's principle, we know when the speed or velocity is more, at that place pressure is less. This is the simple principle in the Bernoulli's. What is the simple equation or the expression in the Bernoulli's principle? Means where the velocity is more, where the velocity of the fluid is more, at that place pressure is less. When the pressure is more, the velocity or speed is less. The pressure is then lowered at the narrow neck and petrol are sucked up in the chamber to provide correct mixture of air to the fuel for necessary combustion. We know that one. In the vehicle we take petrol or diesel, it is called fuel. When the engine is started, inside that one carburetor is present. The carburetor is nothing but it has a which one? Small holes. When we are giving the vehicle to the servicing, the mechanic cleans the combustion chamber. If any dust particles are enter into combustion chamber, the engine is not works properly. Why? It is not sends the fuel or petrol or diesel to the combustion chamber. That's why. Okay. The carburetor of an automobile has a Venturi channel, means it has a nozzle, means a small hole. Through this small hole, air flows with the large speed. The area is less, the air flows with large speed. At that place pressure what happen? Less. Then the pressure is then lowered at the narrow neck and petrol and diesel are sucked into the combustion chamber to provide. Means when the pressure is less, not moving, pressure is less. When the pressure is less means the fuel moves with less quantity and it is mixed with the air for necessary combustion. Okay. This is the principle is involved in the carburetor. And by the same principle, Bunsen burner we can use in the laboratory to heat the liquids taken in the test tube. Test tubes are used in the laboratory. If you want to warm up, we want to increase the temperature of the liquid in a test tube, we use Bunsen burner. The Bunsen burner also works under the Venturi principle or Bernoulli's principle. Next, aspirators, especially in hospitals we can use this one, and spares used for perfumes, you know that one. If any person is go to the function, he can use the perfumes, he can press it, immediately what happen? From that one is liquid is comes out. How the liquid is comes out? With high speed. Yes or no? You take a scent bottle, just you can press. How the liquid is comes out? With the large speed. Here that is occur in the carburetor, in the perfumes. So Bunsen burner, aspirators and spares used for perfumes or works on this principle. Principle means like a carburetor. When the pressure is less, the liquid or the air is comes with a large speed. This is the working principle of carburetor. Nothing but here which is involved, Bernoulli's principle is involved. But here we should take narrow neck or nozzle. Narrow neck. The neck area is decreases. The neck area is decreases, we can say nozzle or Venturi channel. Okay. Now the same principle now we want to discuss about blood flow and heart attack. We have the heart here. Yes or no? We can listen this word nowadays. Heart attack, blood flow, blood pressure, shortcut BP. Yes or no? These words we can listen in our daily life. What is BP? Blood pressure or blood flow. If the BP is increased gradually in the humans, it leads to the which one? Heart attack. Okay. Now, how the blood flows? Enter the body from the heart. Heart is pumping the blood. If it is not pumped, if it always pumps, but any minute problem is occurred in the artery walls, it leads to the heart attack. We know that one heart has how many walls? 4 walls. We have artery walls, we can say. From that only that the blood is pumped entire the body. Now let us see. Bernoulli's principle help in explaining blood flow in artery. From artery walls the blood is flows. Heart pump that. As heart pump that passing through the artery walls. Now artery valve or artery may constrict due to accumulation of plaque on its internal walls. Actual artery wall means I will draw one small diagram here, no need of that, but once again you see, just I will draw the diagram of a heart. This is the heart artery wall. What is this one? Artery wall. Artery wall may construct due to accumulation of plaque, means this is the size of artery wall. Here this is the plaque. We can say that is in our medical language we can say cholesterol is formed. Cholesterol is formed means plaque is formed. Means by consuming of fat items, burger and cheese, etc. foods, we can see that one. This will formed in the artery wall. This is the plaque. We can say this is the cholesterol. But in science it is called by which one? Plaque. On its internal walls, artery may be constrict. What is the size? Size decreases or not? It is called constricted. The artery may constrict due to accumulation of cholesterol or plaque on its internal walls. In order to drive the blood through this constriction, so here what happened? area is decreases, when area is decreases means the radius is decreases, what happen? Through this constriction, a great demand is placed on the activity of heart. Why? At this place the radius is decreases. So here the radius is decreases means here it gets more demand, means it must do the more work. Why it stops this one? This plaque or cholesterol stops the flow of blood. So a great demand is placed on the activity of the, this is the heart, right? The speed of the flow of the blood in this region. So area is less, radius is less, area is less as per Bernoulli's principle or as per equation of continuity. Here what happened? Velocity is increased. When velocity is increased here, the pressure automatically what happened? Lowered. The speed of the flow of blood in this region is raised, which lowers the pressure inside the artery, may collapse due to internal pressure. Okay, here what happened? Velocity is increases. When the velocity is increases, what happened here? Velocity is increases, the pressure what happened? Decreases. What happened here? It is pressure is decreases. That is explained. The speed of flow of the blood is in this region is raised, which lowers the pressure inside and the artery may collapse due to the internal pressure. Now the heart exerts further pressure. Okay, here what happened? Pressure is lowered. To maintain the same pressure, again the demand is increased. What happened? The heart exerts further pressure to open. It is constricted. To open this, it must be increase the which one? Pressure. It must be increase the pressure. The heart exerts further pressure on this artery and forces the blood through. Means to push the blood. Here what happened? It must be opened, not possible. By already cholesterol is formed, but to flow the blood, what happened? Here the pressure what happened? Increased. As the blood rushes through opening, when it is push, then what happened? The blood is rushes. The blood is rushes through opening. What happened? It is opening. The internal pressure once again drop due to the same cause. When it is open, again internal pressure what happened? Decreases. Decreases due to the same cause, leading to repeat collapse. Means what happened? This is already formed. When blood flows from here velocity is more. The pressure what happened? Falls down. Now to open this wall, this is pushes. When it is pushes, comes the blood here. But again this cholesterol area is less, then blood touch and try to open the wall, but this what happened? Sends back. Again it is pushes, this sends back. Okay, the blood is act. The blood is acts on the where? Heart. So it leads to which one? Heart attack. Who is attacking the heart? Blood only attacking. Which is attacking the heart? Actual, the cholesterol is formed. So through this the blood is not flows, but it is functioning. It is functioning, but this cholesterol is opposing. So blood moves, try to open, but comes back. Blood pumps, heart pumps the blood, touches the cholesterol or plaque and comes back. Like this. Blood is attack on the which one? Heart. So it leads to which one? Heart attack. This is the principle is involved especially in the heart attack How we can explain this? With the help of Bernoulli's principle. But how we can minimize that? The heart attack. If it is not formed, it is means we can say cholesterol. Otherwise, if it is not there, the heart function properly. But when it is formed, when we consume the fat items more, oil content items are eating rigorously, the cholesterol will form. We can say cheese, burger, etc., etc., etc. If we can eat, that are called as junk foods, and more oil content foods, or we can eat, the oil is mixed with the blood and forms a cholesterol. The cholesterol is deposited on the artery walls, so that this becomes narrow. So after some days it maybe leads to heart attack. Okay, this is the principle is involved in it. Okay, all of you listen this, listen, I think. Okay, you must be concentrate on this. Is the very important topic for you, especially for BPC students.